In 2005, someone pulled their boat out of a lake, put it on their trailer, and drove to Big Green. They never washed their boat, nor did they inspect it for any aquatic plants or animals that might have been attached. And ever since that day, zebra mussels have exploded in Green Lake, cutting our feet and accelerating weed growth on shore.
Zebra mussels are here to stay forever, and there's nothing we can do about that. But there's a host of other invasive species that we don't have. Not yet, anyways. First up, there's the spiny water flea. This predatory zooplankton may be small, but it poses a huge threat to our delicate lake ecosystem.
We actually found out that spiny water flea is present in Lake Mendota at higher densities than just about anywhere else in the world. Spiny water flea are just a centimeter wide, so you can hardly see them. We've seen more algae in the lake and murkier conditions since spiny water flea showed up.
Quagga mussels are another threat to our lake. Not only do they decrease available food in the water for fish, but they also excrete phosphorus, encouraging weed growth. Another invasive lurking in neighboring lakes is the starry stonewort. This bright green macroalgae forms thick mats on the water surface, posing a threat to native aquatic plants. By preventing the spread of invasive species, we can also prevent the spread of pathogens, like viral hemorrhagic septicemia, or VHS. VHS is an infectious disease that causes fish to bleed, have bulging eyes, and eventually die. Lake Winnebago, which was infected with VHS in 2006, continues to have massive fish die-offs to this day. Now that we understand the threat, what can we do to prevent one of these invasives from becoming the next zebra mussels and infecting our lake forever? We're building a boat wash defense system to help decontaminate boats and stop lake jumpers that are likely to infect our waters.
We're starting to look specifically at the two county landings, the Dodge Memorial Boat Landing and the Sunset Park Boat Landing. So they're county landings. The County Conservation Department is on board with this. So we kind of have the welcome mat there to start.
Boat wash stations will be equipped with tools to easily rid your boat of various invasive species.
What we're looking at doing at Green Lake is to actually have pressurized wash stations and to truly try and clean off with a little bit more force than a garden hose to remove as much as we can.
They'll also have instructions on how to drain and clean your boat before transportation. These wash stations will not only encourage boat launch users to help protect our lake from invasives, but they will also help lower the risk for other lakes. The 2005 infestation of zebra mussels showed us how easy it is to accidentally transport tiny invasive creatures into Green Lake. With boat washing stations in place, we can stop new invaders from reaching our shores and permanently damaging our lake's ecology.
Preventing is key, investing in prevention efforts. That's all stuff that gives you a huge bang for your buck in terms of your investment for mitigating invasive species impacts.
We must gear our efforts towards prevention and act now to ensure a clean and healthy Big Green for the future.